Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to expand photo in Photoshop. First, open the Photoshop and open the image. Then go to the layer panel and background layer copy. Then select lasso tool from the toolbar and selection around the subject. Then go to the window menu and click on the character. And click on the mask icon. Here we created alpha layer. Then go to the select menu and deselect. Then go to the edit menu and click on the content aware scale. And select the alpha of the top. Press Shift key and increase the expand. Now we do expand photo in Photoshop. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.